This is how I embroider eyes and smiles on my crochet projects. You only need a yarn needle and black yarn. Starting with the smile, insert your needle from the back where you want the top corner of your mouth to be. This smile is going to be 2 stitches wide, so I'll go over 2 stitches and reinsert my needle. Yours can be as big as you want, but just make sure it's an even number of stitches. Now I'll go back in from the middle, exactly in between those 2 stitches and one down. I'll loop my yarn through the smile and reinsert right back into the same stitch. You can pull this very tight if you like more of a V-shaped mouth, or you can use your yarn needle to loosen it up a little bit if you want more of a smile. Once you have your smile at the tension you prefer, turn your project inside out and tie the ends of your smile together. Now we're ready to embroider our eyes. This part's a lot easier. So just insert your needle from the back at the bottom of the stitch where you want your eye to be. Pull through, then insert at the top of that stitch. We just repeat this 4 or 5 times, working in the same stitch until your eye looks good to you. When you finish, turn your project inside out and tie the ends of your eye together. You'll now repeat this process for your second eye. And here's our finished face.